Caesars Rewards Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. If you love Las Vegas, casinos, or travel rewards that revolve around entertainment, the Caesars Rewards Credit Card might have caught your eye. But before you sign up in 2025, it's important to understand exactly what this card offers and, more importantly, whether it's truly worth it for your lifestyle. Today, we'll break down the Caesars Rewards Credit Card in detail, examining its benefits, fees, rewards, and who should really consider it. Let's start with the basics. The Caesars Rewards Credit Card is a co-branded card designed for frequent visitors to Caesars entertainment properties. This includes hotels, resorts, and casinos across the United States. The card integrates directly with the Caesars Rewards program, which tracks your points for hotel stays, dining, gaming, and entertainment. One of the biggest draws is the reward system. Cardholders earn tier credits and reward credits that can be redeemed for hotel stays, show tickets, dining, or even free play in casinos. Most people get this wrong by assuming all points are created equal. With Caesars Rewards, tier credits help you move up loyalty levels, unlocking better perks, while reward credits are the currency you actually spend on services. Understanding the distinction is crucial if you want to maximize your benefits. Now, let's talk about earning rates. The Caesars Rewards Credit Card offers a typical structure where you earn points faster on Caesars purchases. For example, you might earn 2 reward credits per $1 spent at Caesars properties and 1 reward credit per $1 on other purchases. While this isn't as aggressive as some premium travel cards, it's highly targeted if you frequently visit Caesars resorts. You want to earn as much on groceries or gas, but if your spending aligns with Caesars, the rewards can be substantial. Another significant feature is the welcome bonus. In 2025, Caesars often offers substantial welcome bonuses for new cardholders, sometimes enough reward credits to cover several hotel nights or entertainment tickets. Most people underestimate how much these bonuses can add up, especially when combined with strategic spending. If timed correctly, the welcome bonus alone can justify the first year of the card for regular Caesars visitors. Next, let's address the fees. The Caesars Rewards Credit Card carries an annual fee currently around $75. For casual users, that might feel steep. However, for frequent visitors who redeem points regularly, the perks often outweigh the cost. The key is to calculate whether your expected rewards exceed the annual fee. For instance, if you stay at Caesars properties multiple times per year and use your reward credits strategically, it's likely you'll net a positive value. Interest rates are also important. The APR for purchases typically ranges from 17% to 25%, depending on your creditworthiness. This is slightly higher than some mainstream credit cards, so it's best to pay off balances in full each month. Carrying a balance can quickly negate any rewards earned, especially since this card is designed more for perks than for low-interest borrowing. Now, let's discuss additional perks. Caesars Rewards Credit Card holders receive benefits like priority access to reservations, discounts on hotel rooms, and sometimes free entry to select shows. Higher-tier loyalty members may enjoy complimentary rooms, VIP event invitations, and priority gaming benefits. Most people overlook these perks, but if you frequently visit Caesars properties, they can significantly enhance your overall experience. Essentially, this card is as much about lifestyle benefits as it is about points. Security and digital tools are also included. The card comes with zero liability protection for unauthorized charges, standard Visa protections, and access to mobile banking tools for managing your account, monitoring spending, and paying bills. While these are standard features, they are worth noting, especially for frequent travelers who want to track transactions in real time. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose you visit Las Vegas twice a year and spend $1,500 per trip at Caesars resorts on hotel, dining, and entertainment. That's $3,000 annually in targeted spending. With 2 reward credits per $1 spent, you could accumulate around 6,000 reward credits per year, plus additional credits on incidental purchases. Depending on how you redeem them, this could cover several hotel nights, show tickets, or other entertainment experiences, easily outweighing the $75 annual fee. Add in the welcome bonus, and the first year can provide significant value. On the flip side, if you rarely visit Caesars resorts or primarily use your card for general spending, this card may not offer much value. Rewards are concentrated on Caesars properties, so grocery, gas, and everyday purchases earn comparatively little. If your goal is a versatile rewards card for travel, dining, or cashback, you may find better alternatives. Cards like Chase Sapphire, American Express membership rewards cards, or Citi Thank You cards offer broader redemption options and higher flexibility. Who should consider this card? The Caesars Rewards credit card is ideal for frequent visitors to Caesars Entertainment properties, people who want to maximize loyalty perks like free rooms, VIP access, and show discounts, travelers who prioritize entertainment-focused rewards over general cashback or travel points, individuals who can pay their balance in full to avoid high APR costs. Now, let's summarize the pros and cons for clarity. Pros: earns reward credits and tier credits for Caesars purchases. Welcome bonuses can provide substantial first-year value, access to exclusive perks like room discounts, VIP events, and priority reservations. No liability on unauthorized charges and digital tools for account management. Cons: $75 annual fee, limited value for non-Caesars spending, high APR if balances are carried. Rewards are less flexible compared to mainstream travel or cashback cards. Maximizing value with the Caesars Rewards credit card requires strategic spending and redemption. Use it primarily at Caesars properties. Monitor tier credits to achieve higher loyalty status, and redeem reward credits for hotel stays, shows, and dining. Timing your visits and redemption can significantly amplify the card's value, turning your everyday spending into memorable experiences. In conclusion, the Caesars Rewards credit card in 2025 is a niche, highly targeted card. It's worth it if you're a frequent Caesars visitor who wants to enjoy perks, rewards, and elevated status within the loyalty program. For occasional visitors or those seeking general rewards, it may not provide sufficient value. The card's strength lies in its ability to enhance your entertainment lifestyle while providing tangible benefits at Caesars properties. Most people get this wrong by comparing it to general travel cards, but for its intended audience, it can be a game changer. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed credit card breakdowns and 2025 financial insights. Choosing the right card can unlock real value in ways most people don't immediately realize, and understanding the nuances of rewards and loyalty programs is key to maximizing your financial and lifestyle benefits.